Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to enable beta updates on your AirPods. So for this, you need an iOS device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad or a Mac. Also, the device that you are using needs to be running the beta version of the software. So if it's an iPhone, you need to be running iOS public beta. Similarly for the iPad and Mac as well. If you haven't done this already, I'll leave the link in the description so you can easily join the public beta for your particular device. Once you are running a beta version of the software, you will need to go to the AirPods settings. Now here you should see this beta software available message. You can tap on it to enable it, or if you don't see this message, simply scroll down and tap on AirPods beta updates. Now here you simply need to enable this AirPods beta updates toggle. Once you have done that, you will need to update your AirPods. For the update process, you simply need to place your AirPods inside the case and then close the case. Even after you have closed the case, keep your AirPods next to your iPhone and then plug the charger in. Now you will need to leave the AirPods for 30 minutes or so. After 30 minutes, the software will be updated automatically. To ensure that the software has updated, go to the AirPods settings on your iPhone. Here you will need to scroll down and tap on version. Here you should see the version number updated. This indicates that your AirPods are now running the beta version of the update. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.